Hi bonsai friends, welcome back to GC Bonsai. In today's video, we will transform this tamarind bonsai into a fancy Penjing style. Penjing is a Chinese precursor to bonsai. Penjing emphasizes the wonderful scenes or features of the landscape, while bonsai emphasizes the magnificent details of the trees or tree alone. Bonsai and Penjing are just the same, but in China, the art form is much broader and bonsai is just part of the Penjing. But before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell to show your support to our channel and to keep you updated on our upcoming videos. Penjing usually displayed in a landscape form. It is accompanied with rocks, water, land, accent plant, miniature figures, and structures that is effectively combined in proportion to portray a landscape in detail. There are more Penjing styles in which we will discuss in the future episodes. Yet today, we will show you a quick transformation of these three to make one from the Penjing styles. In this composition, we use a shallow oval concrete pot partially painted with blue color to represent a body of water. The custom pot was made by a friend, Kuya Jan Siongcong, one of the famous concrete pot maker and a bonsai hobbyist here in Iligan City. You may contact him through the details provided in the description box below. After we arrange and maintain the shape of the tree, now we will remove the tree from the training pot. Make sure not to fully disturb the root system of the tree in order to keep it alive and healthy. Gladly, my superwoman backed me up to work on this larger one. We removed the 40% of its soil and reduced the 30% of the excess roots to fit in the tree in the pot. This time, we will add a plastic wire mesh on the drainage hole in order to keep the soil from falling. Install the plastic wire mesh using the anchor wires. Now let's add the guy wires to hold the tree. Now let's add a mixture of pumice and river sand to provide good drainage during the watering of the tree. Now let's set up the tree on its possible viewing angle or front. Tie the tree both left and right portion of the base to secure the tree from moving. let's add the stones and the accent plants. Then top up the medium with 1:1 mixture of coco peat and clay soil to keep the soil from erosion and in order to place the moss atop. And finally, add a different variety of moss. And here's the result of our Penjing style workshop. What we express in this composition is the feeling when you are watching a scenery where there is a lone tree living near the riverbanks. Hope you have learned and enjoyed this episode. Again, to show your support to our channel, please like and subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Happy bonsai!